Alright, let's not kid ourselves. Smartphone cameras haven't been seeing those jaw-dropping upgrades for a while now. I mean Samsung, Apple, Google. They've all found their formula. These days, it's mostly about minor tweaks, software magic, and let's be honest, a lot of marketing fluff. But guess what? We've got a rare moment where something actually sounds like a legit hardware upgrade. Our favorite Samsung leaker, Ice Universe, just spilled the beans on the Galaxy S26 Ultra's camera. And this time, it's not some tiny spec bump or vague AI camera improvement. It's a real change you'll actually notice. So here's what's happening. Ice previously said that the S26 Ultra would stick with the same 200-megapixel ISOCELL HP2 sensor, which Samsung's been using since the S23 Ultra. Nothing shocking there, but he also hinted at a bigger aperture. Now he's back with more details, and according to him, the S26 Ultra's primary camera will feature an f/1.4 aperture. No sources cited, of course, but let's be honest, Ice Universe has a track record. When he talks Samsung, people listen. Now quit camera nerd talk. Why does f/1.4 matter? Basically, the aperture controls how much light hits the camera's sensor. The lower the f number, the bigger the opening. The S25 Ultra was at f/1.7, so f/1.4 is a solid jump. More light means better low-light performance, less grain, and richer details. Plus, you get that nice, natural background blur for portraits. It's the kind of upgrade that doesn't just sound good on a spec sheet. It actually impacts your photos. In a time where camera upgrades have been more about software tricks, seeing Samsung take a proper hardware leap is refreshing. This could be a game-changer for low-light photography, an area where Samsung's been trailing behind competitors like Google's Pixel and even Apple's iPhones. So while this isn't a full camera redesign, it's a meaningful upgrade. And in the smartphone world, where we're used to baby steps, that's kind of a big deal. Now I'm curious, does a change like this get you excited, or are you waiting for Samsung to do something wild like a 1-inch sensor or crazy periscope zoom? Hit me up in the comments and let's talk about it. You know the drill. Like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.